Camping technology has reached a whole new level, and today's innovations make outdoor adventures easier, smarter, and more comfortable than ever before. From portable power stations and rooftop tents to smart cooking systems and luxury camping gear, these incredible inventions are changing the way people explore the outdoors. In this video, we'll count down the most genius camping inventions every man will want immediately. Stay tuned because the final products are truly game-changing. Number 1. Roof Nest Condor 2. The Roof Nest Condor 2 is a premium hard-shell rooftop tent designed for campers, overlanders, and outdoor adventurers who want fast setup and maximum comfort. Built with a rugged Line-X-coated ABS as PC hardshell, it offers outstanding durability while remaining aerodynamic during travel. The tent unfolds in under a minute to reveal a spacious queen-size sleeping area that comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 adults. Inside, you'll find a high-density 2-inch memory foam mattress, blackout polycotton canvas, multiple storage pockets, a dedicated bedding storage compartment, and USB-powered dimmable LED lighting for added convenience. Large panoramic windows with insect screens provide excellent ventilation, while waterproof materials and a 3000 Mines-rated rainfly keep the interior dry in harsh weather. The Condor 2 also features heavy-duty lockable latches, HOFAC ports for portable heaters or air conditioners, and compatibility with optional roof crossbars for carrying extra gear. Price: starting at $3,795. Number 2. Hot Ash Portable Wood-Fired Hot Tub. The Hot Ash Portable Wood-Fired Hot Tub is a luxury outdoor soaking solution designed for camping, glamping, cabins, and off-grid adventures. Unlike traditional electric hot tubs, it uses a high-efficiency wood-burning stove to naturally heat the water, eliminating the need for electricity while creating an authentic outdoor spa experience. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials and a lightweight portable design, it can be transported and set up in remote locations with ease. The spacious tub comfortably accommodates 4-6 adults, making it perfect for family gatherings or relaxing with friends. Its insulated construction helps retain heat, while the stainless steel firebox delivers quick and efficient water heating in approximately 1.53 hours, depending on weather conditions. The hot tub features a comfortable seating area, easy drainage system, and rugged construction for year-round use. USA price: starting at approximately $5,690 USD. Number 3. Domotic Hub 2. The Domotic Hub 2 is a premium inflatable camping shelter designed to provide a spacious, weather-resistant outdoor living area for campers, overlanders, and road trip enthusiasts. Unlike traditional gazebos with heavy metal poles, the Hub 2 features Domotic's patented single-point airframe technology, allowing the entire structure to inflate in just a few minutes using the included manual pump. Made from durable, lightweight polyester woven from recycled plastic bottles, it offers excellent resistance to rain, UV rays, and wind while remaining easy to transport. The shelter measures approximately 7.5 x 7.5 feet, 2.3 x 2.3 m, comfortably accommodating chairs, tables, camping gear, or a small group of people. A removable ground sheet, quick pitch guy straps, and compact carry bag are included, while optional walls, mesh panels, and an inner tent can transform it into a fully enclosed shelter or sleeping space. Weighing only about 19.7 lb, Sailo 8.9 kg, the Hub 2 is ideal for camping, beach trips, tailgating, and outdoor events where fast setup and reliable protection are essential. USA price: starting at $749.99. Number 4. BioLite Fire Pit Plus. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus is a premium smokeless smart fire pit designed for campers, overlanders, and backyard enthusiasts who want the authentic experience of a wood fire without excessive smoke. Using BioLite's patented airflow technology, 51 precision air jets, and a rechargeable 12,800 mAh battery-powered fan creates secondary combustion that dramatically reduces smoke while producing hotter, cleaner flames. The Fire Pit Plus burns both firewood and charcoal, allowing it to function as both a campfire and a portable hibachi-style grill with the included grill grate. Its unique X-ray mesh body provides a full 360-degree view of the flames, while folding legs and a lightweight 19.8 lb 108.98 kg design make it easy to transport. Users can control the 4 fan speeds manually or through the BioLite Bluetooth mobile app for precise flame and heat management. The rechargeable battery powers the fan for up to 30 hours on low speed, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, beach trips, and backyard gatherings. USA price starting at $499.95. Number 5. Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus is a high-capacity portable power station built for camping, RV travel, off-grid living, emergency home backup, and professional outdoor work. Equipped with a massive 2042W LiFePO battery and a 3000W pure sine wave ACC inverter 6000W, it can power everything from refrigerators and power tools to coffee makers, CPAP machines, and laptops with ease. One of its biggest advantages is its expandable design, allowing users to increase capacity from 2 kW up to 24 kW by connecting additional battery packs, making it suitable for extended power outages or long camping trips. It supports ultra-fast charging, reaching a full charge in about 2 hours with compatible solar panels or ACC input. The unit features multiple ACC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, DC ports, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control, and advanced Charge Shield battery protection technology for enhanced safety and battery life. USA price starting at $899. Number 6. Lifesaver Jerrycan. The Lifesaver Jerrycan is a premium portable water purification system designed for camping, overlanding, emergency preparedness, humanitarian missions, and off-grid living. Built to military-grade standards, this rugged 18.5-liter 9-gallon jerrycan uses advanced ultrafiltration technology to instantly convert contaminated fresh water into safe drinking water without chemicals, batteries, or electricity. It removes 99.99% of viruses, 99,99999% of bacteria, 99.9% of cysts and parasites, and 99.99% of microplastics, while the replaceable activated carbon filter reduces chlorine, heavy metals, bad taste, and odors. A single filter cartridge purifies up to 20,000 liters, 5,300 gallons of water, making it ideal for long expeditions and emergency use. The integrated hand pump delivers water at approximately 4 liters per minute, and its unique fail-safe technology automatically stops water flow when the filter reaches the end of its life, ensuring no unsafe water is consumed. Price starting at $405. Number 7. Ignik Firecan. The Ignik Firecan is a compact propane-powered campfire designed to provide the warmth and ambiance of a traditional fire without the smoke, sparks, or cleanup. Built from a durable military-style ammo can, it features a rugged steel construction that protects the burner during transport while making it ideal for camping, overlanding, RV trips, beach outings, and backyard gatherings. The Firecan delivers up to 38,000 BTUs of heat through a stainless steel burner, producing a realistic campfire flame that can be adjusted with an easy-to-use control knob. It connects to standard propane tanks or Ignik's refillable gas growler system and includes a quick connect hose for fast setup. Folding legs elevate the unit for improved stability and airflow, while built-in side handles make it easy to carry. Because it burns clean propane, the Firecan is often permitted in areas where traditional wood fires are restricted due to fire bans. Price starting at $199.95. Number 8. Gosun Fusion. The Gosun Fusion is an innovative solar and electric smart cooker designed for campers. RV travelers, overlanders, and off-grid enthusiasts who want to prepare meals anywhere with minimal fuel consumption. Combining GoSun's patented vacuum tube solar cooking technology with a built-in 12-volt electric heating system, the Fusion can cook using sunlight, electricity, or both simultaneously for faster and more reliable performance in any weather. The highly efficient vacuum tube traps heat while remaining cool to the touch, allowing it to roast, bake, steam, or slow-cook meals without producing smoke or open flames. With a cooking capacity of approximately 3 liters, it can prepare food for 4-6 people, making it ideal for family camping trips. The cooker reaches temperatures of up to 550 F290C and works with portable power stations. Vehicle outlets or solar panels when sunlight alone isn't sufficient. Price, starting at $499. Number 9. Crewer Collar. The Crewer Collar is an innovative noise-blocking sleeping pod designed to deliver a quiet, dark, and comfortable sleeping environment whether you're camping, traveling, or staying indoors. Engineered with Crewer's patented insulated technology, the pod significantly reduces external noise while providing excellent thermal insulation to keep the interior warmer in cold weather and cooler in hot conditions. It comfortably accommodates one adult and fits inside most tents, making it a perfect upgrade for campers seeking better sleep. The breathable, blackout fabric blocks nearly all incoming light, while multiple ventilation ports ensure continuous airflow to prevent condensation. Lightweight and compact, the Collar packs down easily into a carry bag for convenient transport and quick setup in just a few minutes. It can also be used as a standalone sleep pod in cabins, hostels, hotels, or emergency shelters, offering privacy and improved rest wherever you go. Price, starting at $299. Number 10. Bushcraft Portable Fridge Freezer. The Bushcraft Portable Fridge Freezer is a high-performance camping refrigerator designed for road trips, overlanding, RV travel, boating, and off-grid adventures. Equipped with an energy-efficient compressor cooling system, it can rapidly cool from 77 F25C to 32 F90C in about 15 minutes and reach temperatures as low as 4 F20C, allowing it to function as both a refrigerator and a freezer. Available in multiple capacities ranging from 23 to over 50 quarts, it provides ample space for food, beverages, and frozen items while maintaining consistent temperatures. The unit operates on 12V 24V DC vehicle power or 110 240V AC household power, making it suitable for use in cars, SUVs, RVs, trucks, and at home. It features an easy-to-read digital control panel, battery protection modes to prevent vehicle battery drain, low noise operation around 45 dB, and a durable shock-resistant design capable of handling rough terrain. USA price, starting at $239.99. Thanks for watching. Which camping invention impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing gadgets, outdoor gear, and innovative technology. See you in the next adventure.